Here's a skin secret that might shock you. Your pores are never supposed to close. If they did, your skin would literally suffocate, because that's how your body releases oil, sebum, and sweat. So, all those products claiming to close your pores are actually misleading you. The truth is, pores can't be closed, but they can be trained to look tighter, cleaner, and almost invisible. And here's the exciting part. In just 2 weeks, you can shrink the appearance of open pores, clear out stubborn blackheads, and even reduce acne, without damaging your skin. How? That's exactly what this challenge is all about. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the real reasons why pores enlarge, from excess oil to sun damage. Why treating open pores is so important, beyond just appearance. Doctors-approved methods like retinoids, niacinamide, exfoliation, and more, explained simply. The exact 2-week skincare challenge to transform your skin at home. The do's and don'ts, the small mistakes that could ruin your results. Stick with me to the end, because once you understand how this works, you'll never look at your pores the same way again. Why do pores enlarge? Before we dive into the challenge, let's quickly talk about why pores even look big in the first place. Excess oil production. When your skin makes too much sebum, it stretches the pores. Aging. As we age, our skin loses collagen, making pores appear larger. Sun damage. UV rays break down elasticity in the skin, leaving pores more visible. Lack of proper cleansing, dirt, makeup, and sweat build up, clogging pores and making them look bigger. So, it's not just one thing, it's a mix of lifestyle, habits, and skin health. Why treat open pores? Now, here's why this is important. Untreated open pores can lead to blackheads, acne breakouts, rough skin texture, and even premature aging signs. And honestly, enlarged pores can make makeup look patchy and uneven. Treating them not only improves appearance but also keeps your skin healthier and cleaner long-term. Doctors-approved treatments and benefits. Doctors and dermatologists recommend these methods for managing open pores. 1. Chemical exfoliation. AHA or BHA gently removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. Benefit: smoother skin and fewer blackheads. 2. Retinoids. Stimulate collagen production. Benefit: tighter, firmer skin over time. 3. Clay masks. Absorb excess oil. Benefit: keeps pores clean and less noticeable. 4. Niacinamide. Reduces oil production and strengthens skin barrier. Benefit: pores appear smaller and skin looks more balanced. 5. Sunscreen. Prevents sun damage. Benefit: keeps pores from worsening due to UV breakdown. 2 weeks skincare challenge routine. Alright, now let's put this into action with a 2-week skincare challenge that will transform the way your pores look. Morning routine. Gentle cleanser. Niacinamide serum. Lightweight moisturizer. Sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher. Evening routine. Cleanser, double cleanse if wearing makeup. Exfoliate with AHA or BHA, 2 to 3 times a week only. Retinol or retinoid, start slow, every other night. Hydrating moisturizer. Weekly add-ons. Clay mask once or twice a week. Hydrating sheet mask for balance. Follow this strictly for 14 days and you'll notice tighter-looking pores, fewer blackheads, and overall smoother skin. Let's not forget the do's and don'ts that can make or break your results. Do's. Always wear sunscreen. Stay hydrated and eat antioxidant-rich foods. Stick to your routine consistently. Don'ts. Don't squeeze blackheads or poke at your pores. Don't over-exfoliate. It can make pores look worse. Don't sleep with makeup on. So remember, pores are a natural part of your skin. You can't erase them, but you can shrink their appearance and keep your skin looking smooth, clean, and youthful. Try this 2-week challenge and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's struggling with open pores.